Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the team chat app platform called Zenzap. So let's quickly dive into it. Zenzap is a modern team chat app that feels like WhatsApp, but it's built for work, which also makes it one of the most existing collaboration tools in 2025. It combines real-time messaging with built-in doc, file sharing, calendar synchronization, and privacy first features like encryption and 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, with options to schedule messages, set working hour, and onboard or offboard staff securely. It creates a structured yet easy to use space for team. Its pricing is also attractive, offering a free plan for small teams and affordable upgrade for growing business. On the flip side, Zenzap integrations are still catching up to bigger players like Slack and Microsoft Teams, and it lacks some advanced automation or heavy customization features. Enterprise-level teams may also find the most powerful admin tools locked behind higher price tag. That said, for smaller to mid-sized teams that want a clean, structured, and non-stop chat app, Zenzap is a strong contender for the best team chat app ever in 2025. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. You're welcome.